Hi, I'm Colin from Locks Galore, and today we're going to look at the Lockey 2500 digital sliding door lock. The unique feature about this lock is it has a laminated steel hook bolt that's actually built into the inside handle assembly. So the benefit of this is you don't have to mortise anything into the edge of your door. The locking bolt is actually part of the inside handle assembly, so it makes it really easy to install on your sliding door. So you've got a mounting hole on the bottom and the top, which are these two ones. You need to drill a hole for both of those and one hole for the flat spindle which goes between both the handles. Once you've drilled those three holes and mounted it, that's it. It's very easy to install, as you don't have to cut any large rectangular slot cutouts out of the edge of your door for a mortise lock. So very strong stainless steel hook bolt on either side. That's from the inside of the door. On the outside, you've got a mechanical keypad. So no electronics, no batteries or wiring, ultra reliable. So they're set to a 4-digit code. To lock the door, you just turn the handle to lock it. You only need to enter the code to unlock it. So if you need to reverse it for left or right-handed doors, you'd undo these two small blue screws, and there's a small roll pin. You would take it out and swap it to the opposite side. Rock the handle gently, it'll sit down flat again. Refit the plate and the two blue screws. You've now reversed the handing of it. The other benefits of this lock is it comes with multiple strikes to fitting up for your door frame. So you can either use the surface mounted one, where the hook can go straight into the side of it, or you can face mount it so the hook can go in this way. You've also got a flat keeper as well, and one for stepped frames. So it comes with multiple thickness spindles for different thickness doors. It can be fitted on a 25mm thick door up to a 55mm thick. It's just a matter of cutting the spindle to thickness. Comes with your rubber boot seals to protect the door surface behind each side. All instructions and mounting hardware, everything's supplied with it. The lock's extremely popular in Australia for residential doors, commercial retail properties, fitted to Sydney Harbour ferries. So the lock's been around a long time and it's ultra reliable. As I said, it's a truly unique product for a sliding door to have a digital lock to give you keyless access. The Lockey 2500 is available in satin chrome and black finishes from locksgalore.com.au. Thank you for watching.